Well, hey family, this is Darlene. This is the second pair of the hoop earrings that I made. I didn't videotape because the yard man is out here, and for some reason, it seems like he is always like right here at my window for hours. Like, and it is like a really grassy and tree park and stuff like right here by my window. So he spent a lot of time kind of right here at the window in the second window, doing the lamb work. So it was like really, really loud while I was making the jewelry. And I'm like, okay, if I turn it on, you guys will hear that over me. So I just went ahead and, made what I was going to make and then just show you the finished product. But this is another pair of I guess they're hoops. They started out like the other pair that I did, just rounded hoops. But I'm like, okay, well, what else can I do to them? So I did add the little grooves on the side, the little dents, and then straightened them out, just made them nice and long. And I like these. I really like these, and I will be making more of these. I'm gonna start making a lot more hoops. I really like these, and they're lightweight, not heavy at all. I think I used about 15 beads at the bottom of each one, and this is the 18 gauge wire. And then of course ear wires. I've been looking around on a couple of websites trying to find for the ear, not just ear wire, but maybe posts, like different pieces that I can add to the earring instead of it just being an ear wire. So I've seen a couple of things that I might want to use. Um, I'll look over it again this weekend and decide which ones I want to, I want to purchase and do something with. And do something with. So I like these. These came out really good. You guys tell me what you think. And then we have new subscribers too. I wanted to thank all the new subscribers. I wanted to thank you guys for your comments, all your kind words. Just hanging out here on the channel when you do hang out on the channel and just, appreciating whatever it is that I do. And then sharing your thoughts, sharing your tips, sharing your knowledge. And I appreciate that. And that's what it's all about. I do like these. Shoot, I'll probably end up wearing these. The necklace, where's the necklace at? The necklace is in my room. But the necklace that I made with the wire beads, where I put the wire around the beads, of course, I wore that on Sunday. I sure did wear that piece. I was a stunner in it, okay? Hair all over the place, believe you me. Shoot. I wore that baby, and I also put my little bangles on, the boho material bangles, and then I wore those on Sunday, and I wore my where's a pair of these flip-flops at? Do I got a pair over here? I decorate the flip-flops. I think I got a video. You know what? I'm gonna add that video in this video where you can click on it where I decorate the flip-flops. So I had a pair of the flip-flops on that I decorate, and I wore, my necklace with the wire beads, and then I wore the bangles, the boho material but fabric bangles. Ooh, you couldn't tell me I wasn't cute. Okay. I was the cutest thing walking, believe you me. But I really like these. Wanted to share these real quick. Now, see, after the fact, after I finished making what I'm making for the morning, see, now the yard man gone. Okay. And I was trying to get started before he started, but I got up in here and I was reading through some material because I'm taking the public relations course. So I had to read through some material first, and I was trying to hurry up and read through the material until he actually started. But he beat me to the punch, and I was like, dang it, I should have did this last night like I told myself. But anyway, we'll talk, family.